Hey everybody, had to come up to Tehachapi today, to the depot here, Friends Tehachapi Depot. Invited me up here to do a presentation on the tunnel videos I did, which I will link in the description below. But we had a little meeting at the depot here today and got all done with that. Marlon Woodside, we got it all straightened out how we're going to do this, and went and had some lunch. But for all you who, right over my head there is the live cam from the Tehachapi Depot. And for those of you who are watching that can see me, subscribe to my channel. But anyway, this is going to be another in my series of catching trains at control points, and this is another target of opportunity. I just happen to be up here. And for those of you who don't know about the Tehachapi Depot Museum, it's on the corner of Green Street and Tehachapi Boulevard. I think it's 101 Tehachapi Boulevard. I worked out of this building long enough that I should remember that, but I don't, sorry. But anyway, it's a great museum. It's refurbished. The original burned down in 2008 due to some people with illegal fireworks. And they got the money together and built this replica, and they did a beautiful job. But anyway, gonna catch a train coming up the hill here, going east. It's a BNSF. I saw it down the hill a little ways. And the Tehachapi Depot, I will be doing a standalone piece on that. But it was built in 1876 when the railroad arrived up here. And I worked out of it from 1984 off and on until I moved up the valley in 2000. So anyhow, we'll catch this train coming through the Tehachapi Crossover, and hope you enjoy it. All right, this BNSF coming through the Tehachapi Crossover, eastbound. Crossing over from the number 1 to the number 2 track. Tehachapi Depot Museum is. This guy took a while to get up here. I don't know if he didn't have a signal here till he got closer. He was going pretty slow. It looks a pretty heavy train, but there is a Form B up ahead. You can see that yellow-red board there. They set those boards out 2 miles in advance of the limit of the Form B. And Form B is a form of on-track protection that roadway workers use. I did a video on how we protect ourselves with different types of on-track protection. I'll also link that in the description below. Then a Form B, the engineer or conductor, I'm not sure which one it is, has to contact the foreman in charge of the Form B, get permission to proceed through their limits. I go over all that in the video that I'll link. Anyway, it is a pretty brisk day up here. It's windy, and I don't say it's cold. It's about, I think it's 48 degrees a while ago, but it is chilly. Well, you've seen a lot of my videos that I filmed on the mountain. You see that Bear Mountain is a bit player in a lot of my stuff. That mountain back there over the top of the train is Black Mountain, and that is on the west side of Tehachapi. And it's got to be in a few of my videos too. certainly not as many as Bear Mountain. I mentioned the depot here, this signal collection back there from my first boss, mentor, the late Bill Stokoe. I'm going to do a standalone piece on the depot itself at some point in the future, so stay tuned for that. There is the old water tower there. It is an original. It's not original to the railroad itself here, but it is an original structure in the sense that it's been there for a long time and it was actually used in its current position. At one time there were 3 water towers here. When I came to work here in 1979 and even into the 80s, the house track, which is the one that ran right here in front of the depot, was still here. It wasn't tied to the main line anymore. The tracks were still here, and they extended out that way a few hundred feet and back that way. Oh, there's the end of the train. Back that way another few hundred feet. But that is an eastbound BNSF going through the Tehachapi Crossover across Green Street. I think it's kind of neat that the railroad left this. They did it being cheap or what, but this is the AEI site. I got a video on the AEIs. I will link that in here. These old poles. This is all a result of this burn up pole and one across the tracks. It still has its burned up spots on it. This is from the depot fire in 2008. Burned the original Tehachapi depot to the ground and destroyed the signal case that used to be right there. It's now over there. The crossing case, I should say. Anyway, activity at the Tehachapi Crossover on a chilly February morning. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you at the next control point.